So in one of our previous videos, I covered importing, and I wanted to go into a little bit more depth, not specifically on all the different packages that you can import and whatever. You could have a weekly series on something along those lines. But what I'd like to do is I'd like to show you a couple ways that you can import that are a little bit more powerful, as well as the ability to kind of name and rename things and just go into a little bit more depth. In this case, we're going to be importing math. It is one of the most commonly imported modules, and it's pretty much ubiquitous in all programs. One of the things we can do is let's go ahead and do math.py, and we'll run that, and it will return pi. That's a wonderful, wonderful function. It really is. But let's go ahead and look at it and say, that maybe we don't want to constantly use math. So what we can do is we can say import math as m. Now, if we save and run it, it's going to give us an error because it can't find math anymore because we've renamed math to m. So you can take very long named modules and rename them upon import. Another thing that we can do is we can grab a specific element. In this case, one of the things that we can do is we can import from math. What we're going to do is instead of saying import, we're going to say from math, we're going to import pi. Okay. Now what this is going to do is, if we run it, you'll see we'll get an error because we don't have m anymore. It's going to only import the pi part of the module. So, which is really cool. There you go. It's an example of being able to chain some of these things together. Now, another thing that we can do is import everything. So from math, we can import star or asterisk. Using that is a wildcard in most things, and it is true also in Python. So in this case, we are importing absolutely everything. So we'll have to say math.py. Math is not imported because we're not importing math as a whole. We're importing everything from math. So if we just say pi, it'll return pi. But that's the general gist of it. I hope you learned something, and I hope you join me for the next video.